Focusing on intelligent meal distribution system for restaurants, each project is customized according to owner's demand. Provide efficient labor-saving solutions, including turntable train, straight train, express delivery lane, food delivery robot, and tablet ordering system, sold to more than 40 countries. The ordering system allows guests to order meals freely and increase processing speed. Kitchen receive information immediately. Meals can be prepared more efficiently. Through the interconnection with delivery system, efficiency will be double. Also, prevent delivering to wrong table. The speed of straight-type food delivery train reached 1 meter per second. Track can be designed to multiple layers, which greatly improves food delivery efficiency. It is very popular among large catering groups. The variety of train design with additional sound and light notification makes food delivery more interesting. Automatic front cover can be upgraded to enhance sanitation protection. The train stops precisely at each table. Guests pick up meals easily. Express laneway delivery system, simple and stylish design. Highlight the decoration with low key and calm. Exquisite craftsmanship of the meal does not require the embellishment of carrier. Meals are delivered all at once, without the waiting of carrier return to kitchen for next delivery. Efficiency is twice of train type. Meal delivery is neat but gives a full sense of security. Basket collection system is built underneath the track. Quickly carry heavy and dirty dishes from outfield to kitchen. Reduce personnel traveling time. Paired with Sushi plate dishwasher for high-speed wash and air dry, make the use of manpower more efficiently. The intelligent rail-type food delivery robot, equipped with self-developed world-leading technology, suitable for all kinds of meals, using AI intelligent navigation technology to calculate shortest path. Support U-turn lane, crossroads and curves. With a speed up to 1 meter per second, multi-robots operation synchronously. Unique capsule shape and lighting effects, making food delivery more interesting. The automatic protective cover isolates droplets bacteria effectively and improves the hygiene of restaurant. Hand over food delivery to robots. Reduce the workload of waiters and enable them to focus more on table service. The overall operation efficiency is improved, dining time is shortened, and the increase of table turnover rate benefits restaurants.鴻匠Technology is a professional manufacturer of automated food delivery system. The company is composed by a group of professional project consultants, R&D, design, and services team. With nearly 20 years of professional experience, we provide the most comprehensive advice and implementation for meal delivery planning, product customized development, and catering trend discussion. Our service and customers are globalized. Through our team that pursues the goal of perfection, we provide excellent products and services to each partner.鴻匠Technology adheres to the belief of customer-oriented, service-oriented, innovative, and mutually beneficial. We give you absolute trust and professional service.